Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kuta area on Legian Street and Kuta Beach Street. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on 22 December 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today on 22 December 2021, we will explore how the situation at the moment in Kuta area. In 3 days, this will be a Christmas. So that's why usually in Kuta area is always busy. So we'll see together currently how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on Legian Street and Kuta Beach Street. Okay guys, now we are in Legian Street. As we know together, in Legian Street is very famous for a shopping area, and also in this area there's a lot of restaurant and some hotels. And also during the night time there is a lot nightclub on Legian Street at the central of Kuta. On Legian Street during the night time, always busy, usually in the central of Kuta. That area we call Ground Zero because nearby there is a lot nightclub as Sky Garden, VIP, Engine Room, Bounty Club, also Paddy's Pub. Okay guys, now I make video around 11 minutes without skip on Kuta area because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Legian Street and Kuta Beach Street. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing Bali for sure, and also they are missing Kuta area. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. If you see the weather today is not so clear because now Bali in raining season. So that's why sometimes Bali is cloudy. And also the weather in Bali during November until March will be like humid. So if you come to Bali during November until March, make sure you have enough vitamin because when the humid is not so good for the body. Okay guys, now we are in the central of Legian Street. Yeah, but today it looks so quiet, but I'm really happy because there is some people walk around on the sidewalk. You see left side, there is a lot of shops are open. That's really good. And also on the right side, yeah, there is some shops are open. But again, so sorry, there is not so many car and motorbike drive around in this area today. It looks so quiet, isn't it? Oh, there is some shop are closed right side. That's really bad. But the rest, yeah, there is some shop are open right side at the front, also in left side. That's really good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Legian Street. If I turn left at the front, there is the way to go to Sanur, Denpasar and Nusa Dua. But I will turn right because we will explore Kuta Beach Street. Yeah, now we are in Kuta Beach Street. In Kuta Beach Street there is one famous restaurant we call Made Restaurant. Now they are starting open. That is really good. Yeah, and also there is some shop are open left side. Usually in this area, since this the pandemic, in this area there is a lot of shop closed. But now in December, they step by step they try to open their shop and try to do business. You see right side? There is a lot of shop still closed, isn't it? That's very sad. Okay, now we are nearby Kuta Beach, and start from here there is a lot of shops starting open because this is area very famous with the shopping area, because in Kuta Beach there is one art market is very famous. Also there is some big mall like Matahari Square, Discovery Mall and Lipo Mall Kuta. So that's why in this area is always busy. Jamie Olivier kitchen at right side, they are open already. That's good. Yeah, and also in this area it's look quite busy, isn't it? There is a lot of car parking left side, and there's a lot of car drive around in this area, and also there is some motorbike too. That's good. Okay, you see at the front, there is the main gate to go to Kuta Beach. And as I told you in another video on this channel, Kuta Bali always busy during the sunset time, but now this is still not so busy because this is around 1 p.m. so that's why still very quiet. I mean not so quiet but still quiet. So you can see left side there is a lot of motorbike parking. They are going to Kuta Beach. And also on the right side there is a lot of bus parking at the front of the hotel. That's good. I mean like there is big group come to Bali around this time. Heritage Hotel, there is some car parking there too. And also at the front, Kuta Beach, there is one bus parking there. That's really good. Oh my god, it looks so busy in this area today. There is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. That's good. Okay guys, now we are nearby the biggest mall in Kuta area. We call Beach Walk. You see right side? Yeah, there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. Grab pick-up zone, right side, and some people there. On the right side, there is a lot of cafe. Just at the front, Kuta Beach Walk Mall. And if you see to the right side, there is the main gate to go to Beach Walk Mall. Yeah, but today still look a bit quiet. And Beach Walk Mall always busy during the sunset time. You see the front right side, there is one big parking area for the car. Yeah, to the right side, there is a lot of car parking there, and they are going to the beach. Oh, some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That's really good. Also some taxi parking. Yeah, that's good. So along the way in the left side there is a Kuta Beach, and in the right side there is a lot of hotel and some restaurant. Like the right side there is Mamaka restaurant, also very famous and always busy right there. You see the left side? Yeah, there is a lot of car parking there. It is looks so busy, isn't it? Oh my god, that's really good. It's very good sun for Bali. I gotta say sorry, on this video I drove in quite fast because it's not really much thing to show you. Yeah, in the right side there is a lot of big hotel, and also there is one big hotel we call Pullman. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kuta Beach Street, and now I will turn right to explore Malasta Street. Yeah, now we are in Malasta Street. Malasta Street is usually always busy. People walk around on the sidewalk because it's like one way to go to Kuta Beach from Garlic Line and from Legian. Yeah, but today it's look empty on the sidewalk, isn't it? And in the left side there is art market and some people there, and also some car parking there. That's good. Yeah, if I turn left, there is the way to go to Garlic Line. Okay guys, let's coming back to the Malaysia Street. So far on the road is so quiet on Malasta Street, but I'm really happy because there is some shop already open. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Malasta Street and all around Kuta. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.